Warning: excessive weight hazard. Use 2 or more people to move and install refrigerator. Failure to do so can result in back or other injury. The following illustrations will assist you in stabilizing your French door bottom mount refrigerator, aligning your refrigerator doors, and adjusting how easily they close. Remove the front base grille by grasping it firmly with 2 hands and pulling it towards you until it releases. To allow the refrigerator to roll easily, open the freezer drawer and raise the brake feet by turning them counterclockwise using a 1/4-inch hex driver. Move the refrigerator to its final location. Once the refrigerator is in its final location, turn each brake foot clockwise until they are in firm contact with the floor. Doing so stabilizes the refrigerator and prevents it from rolling when the doors are pulled open. Now that the refrigerator is stable, if you want the doors to close more easily, open the freezer drawer and turn both brake feet clockwise the same amount. This will raise the front of the refrigerator. Continue to turn both brake feet until the desired door closure is achieved. Note: be sure to turn both feet the same amount in order to keep the refrigerator level. Having a second person push firmly against the top front of the refrigerator should take some weight off the brake feet, making them easier to adjust. If you need to lower the front of the refrigerator and reduce the tilt, turn both brake feet counterclockwise by the same amount. Again, it is important, if adjusting the tilt, to turn both brake feet by the same amount in order to keep the refrigerator level. The doors are designed to account for the weight of food and will be slightly different heights when empty. If the refrigerator doors are misaligned, you may adjust the door alignment with the following steps. Keeping both refrigerator doors closed, pull out the freezer drawer. Locate the alignment screw inside the bottom hinge pin under the right-hand refrigerator door. Using the 1/8-inch hex key wrench provided with your refrigerator, insert the short end into the bottom hinge pin until it is seated in the alignment screw. To raise the refrigerator door, turn the alignment screw to the right or clockwise. To lower the refrigerator door, turn the alignment screw to the left or counterclockwise. Make sure the doors are even at the top and the space between the bottom of the doors and the top of the drawer is even. If necessary, continue to turn the alignment screw until the doors are aligned. Reinstall the front base grille by aligning the ends of the grille on each side and snapping it into place. Important: whenever you need to move the refrigerator, be sure to raise the brake feet so they do not touch the floor, and the refrigerator will roll more easily.